All right, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another live trading. We're on the trap top. Can't even mind. I don't mind trading off the trap top, bro. It's kind of fun. But, bro, my friend sent me a picture of pre-market. I think it's like awful. Like market completely dumped. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, it took all of the liquidity, bro. Okay, I don't think I don't even know if there's a point of trading today, bro. There's no more draws until way down here. Damn, bro. Because I know that there was something with this stuff, bro. The employment stuff and the cost of stuff. It was different than what people expected or something. So it really just screwed up the market, bro. This candle's down 325 points right now. I mean, it's all good. It is what it is. We'll see if I mean, bro, literally took all the draws on liquidity. Like, when did this happen? Yeah, after right when news was released, bro. Um, all right. I mean, we still have this sell side, which I wouldn't be surprised if it's just gonna take it before market open. That's the last area of sell side, and then yeah, bro, the buy side is just way up here. That's pretty unfortunate, bro. But it's all good. Not every day is gonna have good market conditions, right? But this is tough. Let's check out ES real quick. We have about 15 minutes until market open, but I know we have news that comes out at 10 a.m. So maybe that'll fix something. Maybe price will be very bullish at market open. Okay. Oh, there's a lot going on here. ES hasn't taken one of these lows. So there's SMT off of this low currently. Oh, watch. ES is just going to drop to it. So ES has a few areas of sell side. And then just buy side up here. Look at this, bro. Buy side. Let me see what time is that. 4 and 3. So basically, I'm just going to mark out London highs. I don't care about that hourly high. London high at 4 a.m. I believe that's the same on ES, 4 a.m. Yep. All right. Is it a 4-hour high? It will be. So basically just London highs, and then there's SMT currently off of this low right now. Who knows? That might push price a lot today, right? It might come all the way up. So we'll see. 15 minutes bearish, so there's no highs for it to break. So this might be an ugly day in the market, unless it retraces and then gives a setup back down. But we'll see. Like I said, a lot of or just strong SMT right now. So we'll see how this holds, how this affects market today. And yeah, like I said, we got 15 minutes till market opens. So I'm gonna just chill, do my own thing, and yeah, I mean, if you know, price takes this low and then it just keeps dropping today, there will be no trades for me because that's the last area of relative, like, you know, of an area of a drawn liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at the 4-hour, bro. These were the only draws today. So we'll see. I'll pick it up in about 15 minutes here. We'll see if market has anything to present today. All right, market just opened, selling off again. It's respecting this big 15-minute imbalance. I don't know if NQ tapped into it. Yeah, it barely did. But yeah, bro, if market just sells off without giving a setup, definitely not going to be trading today because this is kind of the last draw to the lows. We'll see, though. Still SMT off of this 4-hour low down here. But yeah, I mean, if NQ takes this, then it's over. So we'll see. News 30 minutes into market open today. Whatever this is, core PC price index and pending home sales. So we'll see how that affects price. Yeah, look at this, bro. It's just probably gonna sell off today. I wouldn't be surprised. That's tough, bro. Just, honestly, just taking all the draws on liquidity basically before market open. But yeah, bro, we'll see. I'll pick it up in about 10 minutes here, and hopefully market's presenting something. If not, it's probably gonna be a pretty short day today in the market for me. All right, bro, I don't even gotta say much. Just look at this, bleeding through the screen, bro. Price is just falling. There's no SMT. NQ took the last, bro, area of sell side, and yeah, if it just completely falls today, not trading, that's tough. But yeah, ES took all the lows too, so everything is, they're moving the same, no SMT. We'll see if it wants to sweep this low, which I highly doubt it's going to. It's way too low. It's almost 100 points under it. So, I mean, this 15-minute candle closes in like a minute. I'm going to pick it up at 10 a.m. though, because that's when news comes out. We'll see. by then I'll have an idea if it's even worth sticking around to trade today. And it's always cool. Like, you don't have to trade every day, especially if market conditions isn't favorable for the way you trade. Don't trade, bro. It ain't that deep. It's better to step away and not take a trade than to force a trade and either screw up or make money that you shouldn't have made. So, yeah, I'll pick it up in about 15 minutes here, and we'll see what price is doing then. All right, giving an update here. It's kind of been a minute. Nothing's been going on. I'm just on call with my friend who trades too. We're just talking about the market. I mean, there's nothing. We're potentially sweeping this 4-hour low on NQ and ES. I mean, price is still below it, but we'll see. We're inside the macro. It's not doing much, but news comes out in about 6.5 minutes. We'll see what that does. I mean, I don't think much is going to be. There's much opportunity for me today, but I'm going to just wait. You never know. And I'll pick it up in about 6 minutes here when the 10 a.m. news comes out, and then, yeah, we'll see where price is at that point. All right, news just came out, bro. It is about to be so bearish because the pending home sales. Hold on, I'm updating the video. Yeah, so here, I'm on call. I'm talking to YouTube, but I'm on call with my friend, so we're watching this. But right now, market is pushing up, but it is probably about to dump because if the actual is greater than the forecast, even by a little bit, that's bearish. But this is insane how much it just beat the forecast. So market is probably about to sell off like crazy. So I don't think I'm gonna trade today. I'll see what it does in the next 5 minutes. It's probably there's no draw in liquidity, bro. Like, it's all the way down here, and that's, I don't even know how much points that is away, like 500. Yeah, 500 points away. So I'll most likely not take a trade today, but I'll update in like 5 or 10 minutes just to see if price or if news actually does what I think it will by just completely dumping the market. But yeah, this is crazy how it beat it that much. So we'll see. I'll pick it up in like 10 minutes. All right, bro. All right, boys. It's actually not looking bad. News isn't pushing market down at all. Maybe just because the core PCE price index was kind of like neutral, so it may have canceled out what the pending home sales could have done. But we're pushing up above this 4-hour low. I mean, price did close below it on the 4-hour and 1 hour, but we'll see. I'll give it some time here. This high up here is just data highs. It's a 5-minute high, so I'm open to watching that if price, breaks structure all to the upside. But right now, it's still just slow around this low. We'll see what it does. But yeah, that's honestly the only relatively, like, I don't know what the word is, but it's like the only valid kind of draw on liquidity for me. So I'm gonna give like 20, 30 more minutes in the market here. Macro just closed, so we'll see what type of volatility kicks in here. But yeah, I'll pick it up in about 10 minutes here. All right, YouTube. Market is actually pretty bullish, so I'm basically just going to disregard what this news came out as. 15-minute inverse this bearish 15-minute on NQ, and it closed above the 4-hour sweep, or just the 4-hour sell side. I'd still have to see a 15-minute break of structure, which would be above this 15-minute high. And if it does do that in like the next 15 minutes or so, I'm open to looking for longs to data highs. 5-minute is in an uptrend now too. ES is still inside this bearish imbalance on the 15-minute, but 5-minute did break structure, and it's all looking bullish. So I'm going to have to wait for this 15-minute candle because I need it to break structure. I need the time frames to be aligned together. It's about 40-ish points away from this, so we'll see how it plays out. And I'll update you guys in probably 10 minutes here. All right, man. So 15-minute did break structure. It barely broke structure. We'll see if it wants to bring more buying volatility in the next 15 minutes. I'm open to looking for longs to data highs. If not, ES also inverse this bearish 15 minutes, so it's good confluences. But NQ did break 15-minute structure, so both time frames are in the bullish trend. Hourly, though, it's tapping into this huge bearish 1 hour, so we'll see how that affects it. But I'm going to sit for about 15 to 20 more minutes here, see if it wants to continue higher, give a potential setup. But if not, I'll step away and be done. But right now, it's looking a little better off of the sweep of this 4-hour low. Sweep, kind of, because it closed below it. But yeah, we'll see how price plays out here, and I'll pick it up in about 5 or 10 minutes. All right, market slowed down just a little bit here. A little slow, basically, because it's in this bearish 1 hour. So I'm going to give it like 5, 10 more minutes. I'm not going to sit around. It's pretty far from this high, from data highs. It's like, I don't even know how many points it's away. check this out. Come on. Bro, it's 200 points away. It's not valid. So I'm going to give like 5 or 10 more minutes. I'll probably just be done. If it keeps selling off, there'll be no trades for me. But I'll pick it up when I'm just done for the day at that point. All right, so this is usually the time I step away if the market's not doing much. But we had bullish. So, okay, if it gets rid of this 5 minute here, then I'm done. No trades for me today. It's just chopping around now. Nothing for me to take. ES still didn't even break 15-minute structure. So very slow, unfortunate day in the market. Nothing for me. Still 0-1 on the week, only taking one trade, which was yesterday. I do think overall market will come up to data highs, but there's nothing for me to take. I mean, it's still 160-ish points away or something from it. So, yeah, 160 points away. Part of me wants to still watch price, but at that point, I'm not following my rules, and I'm just looking for a trade. So I'm going to be done. Just going to step away. Quick day in the market for me. Nothing, no opportunity today. That big sell-off coming to market open didn't help. But, yeah, we'll be back at it tomorrow. This was the last day of the month, bro. So April went quick. Tomorrow starts May. We'll see how price action is that month. We'll have a great month. So, yeah, nothing for me today. Hope you all did good if you traded. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.